Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video I'm working on this Nespresso Lattissima One unit. The model number is EN510. This is produced by DeLonghi and it's a really nice looking unit. So as you can see, this unit is perfectly fine from aesthetics point of view. The only problem with this one is that the espresso and the long coffee button are not clicking anymore, so they are stuck somehow. They are working, but you have to put a lot of pressure in order to make it work again. This one works perfectly. Looks like the previous owner did not use the frother functionality a lot, so maybe you can hear it. This has the clicking sound, but these two not so much. So in this video you can take the disassembly part out of it. I will disassemble the majority of the casing and try to reach the command board, which is located right over here. So let's start and disassemble. Of course, first of all, you have to remove all the accessories like the milk frother, the small cup tray, this tray from here, and of course the water tank, which you put it like this. And here on the back side you will have, sorry about that, forgot the capsule, use capsule holder. And here on the back side you have 4 screws. These are T20 Torx. I will remove those and then have access to the internal and to the main board over here. So let's do this right away. There is some water over here that remained from when I tested the unit. Okay. And take the T20 Torx bit. Of course, you have to use the T20 with the hole in the middle, because the screws have the locking part in the middle. So one, let me do it like this, maybe you will see it better. Two, three, and 4 over here. So these units are pretty simple to disassemble, no problems. Then you put your finger in this hole over here and just try to get it out like so. So the back cover is out, and now as you can see we have access to the internals, mainly the power board or the main PCB over here, and some internals over here. But we still need to remove the side covers, and for this, starting with the left one, because this is the most simplest one, you just slide it in one of the directions. As far as I remember, it was side in front of the unit, like so. You see there are some hooks, so like so, to the front of the unit. And this is basically the same on the other side, but remember there are two clips over here, so you need a pry tool first and try to put the pry tool in this area. Be gentle, not like me, otherwise you will damage the casing. If you don't care, then you can also use a screwdriver. But basically it's the same procedure. Just pry it in front and then it's disassembled. So a lot of dirt, we will need to clean this up. And now we have the side covers off. Then next step, in order to remove the top cover, is to remove this plate over here. This usually, again, with the pry tool. Needs to be clipped out. Looks like this unit was never opened, so this is a good thing. You will need a little bit of wiggle. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Otherwise you will scratch. You will scratch it. This comes out really easy. And then this would be the last part, which looks like is the most stubborn. Fortunately, my pry tool is already dull, so that's the problem I have currently. Let me see if I can find another one. Of course not, because I'm filming now and I need it quickly. And I didn't prepare all the tools prior to this disassemble. This is always happening to me. Don't use your fingernails, otherwise you will break them. Oh, that's it. Easy peasy. So I put my finger over here and just put it up, and it's easier like that. And now we will slide this at 45 degrees, and from the back we will put it like that. Let's first disconnect the command PCB over here, the button. This is located over here. The simple connector, just pull it towards you. There are some clips over here, one clip over here, and some on the side. So you need to put this all the way down, and then you can slide it in front. And we have an additional ribbon cable connected here in the front, and the procedure is the same. Just pull it towards you like so, and we have it. And if you want to work on the unit, you have here the brewing mechanism, which is actually really easy to remove. You just remove this screw over here and this screw over here, 2 screws, and then it will slide in to the back, and you have access to it. As I said, the power board is over here and all the internals over here. The heating mechanism is here, pump over here, and some relays and the frother and everything over here. So taking a look, small look, there is no lime scale on the hoses. As far as I can see, they are looking pretty clean. I will make a descaling anyway after reassembling and cleaning it, but the unit looks really nice. If I'm already here, maybe a good idea would be to remove this nozzle, because this nozzle accumulates a lot of old coffee. So for this there are 2 clips on each side. But I think in order to remove this, you have to remove the entire brewing mechanism. Let's see if we can manage to remove it without. Yeah, I think not. Anyway, I will do this off camera. As I said, you have to remove the 2 screws over here and then remove the entire brewing mechanism, and you will have access to this nozzle, which has a lot of coffee residue from time accumulated over here. But yeah, we will put this aside and let's work on this part over here, which is our interest. So since we are working with electronics, let's clean the water that dropped from the unit. We don't want water to mix with electronics. This is not good. This is the recipe for disaster. And yeah, in order to remove this over here, there is a connector over here. All right, and then there are 2 clips here and 3 clips over here. So let's start with the first one. 1, 2. And I think also this part should be removed. Like so. And now we have access to the buttons. So this button looks okay. So it's not a problem with the plastics. It's actually Let's see how it is. Actually, we are looking on this, and this. So everything looks pretty much okay. Let's see if we can remove this somehow. So to be honest, I don't pretty understand what's the problem, because by being disconnected, they work fine. Let's remove the plastics, if we can do that. Over here. One over here. These are actually the plastics which take the light from these LEDs. So they are really clicky. As far as I can see, no major problem here. Okay. So could be that the problem is over here. Well, I don't see it. Let's put it back. Like so. And we will pull on this rubber feet, and now everything is in place. And I will put this in a different order. Anyway, it doesn't matter, because they are exactly the same. Like so. So we have the clicking sound for all of them. To be honest, I don't fully understand what's the actual problem with it. Let's put it back and see if it works like it should be working. Yeah. All right. Okay, and let's test it. Nice. Nice. Great. So all of them, it was only a problem of shifting the board a little bit. Now everything is in place and clickety clack. Good. So this was really an easy fix. We'll put all the plastics back together. Since we are here, we will clean a little bit all these parts that will okay. With some alcohol, let's take a brush. And the cloth. Okay, this is clean and this is clean. And let's put everything back together. And I think we will have a fully working unit. So let's do it now. Okay, so the process is exactly the same but backwards. First, we will need to put this. Like so. And here we need to connect this connector as it was over here. This is the sensor for the frotter. If we are already here, let's clean this residue. This is some old coffee. This is disgusting. Okay. Take the cloth. All right. Let's put back the side covers. First one is this one. As I said, they have some hooks. Just glide it back. And then on the other side. Like so. Clicking in place. Let's put back this capsule form. Like so. And then this cover, the nozzle cover. it should also click in place. And now the final part. Let's put back the back cover and put back the original screws. So yeah, pretty much this is how to disassemble and reassemble this unit. And on the side note, if you have problems with the buttons not clicking into place and requiring a lot of pressure, this is how to do it. Just reposition the board correctly and it would work fine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see other videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm almost reaching 10,000 subscribers, so I thank you for this. And yeah, thanks a lot, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.